Hello and welcome once more for this concurrency testing, and in this lecture we'll be doing the edge case testing of post request performance with JMeter. So let's switch over to our JMeter and let's continue working with our current JMX file, which is concurrency test.jmx. So if you look into it, I have opened it from open recent. So this is one of the most recent JMX files, which is the JMeter file that we have used in the previous lecture. Now here we have already seen the get to do item in action. Now let's create within this thread, add sampler, another HTTP request. Give this request a name, post to do item, because this will be a post. No comments, and HTTP protocol server name is again localhost. 5017, and please remember to always keep the server up and running. Without running the servers, you cannot achieve the uh, you cannot hit the endpoints. Okay, so that is a must, first and foremost prerequisite. And path is again /API/to do items. So this is all configured. Now this is a post request. So you have the option of parameters, body data, and files upload. So the easiest is the body data. I'll not go into the other two. You can do some research and study online. So the body data, this is JSON data. This is the request I will be forming. So here it is in the JSON form. It will be and the value. So the name parameter has got a value sample to do item. And then is complete. Say let it be false this time. Okay. So that is our body data, name and is complete. These two are the properties of this module. Okay. Now here I can give it a suitable name. So that name will be assumed when you save this post to do item, right? Now create a listener, add listener, view result tree, and run the this thing. I have already created the body data, and I need to create another thing. I have to add a config element, HTTP header manager. So this is the request header. So here I need to specify the content type. So the name, this is a key value pair, name value. So content type application/JSON /JSON, and just save it and then run this. Now how do we verify that this is in fact created? That is through the Swagger, which is already running in the background. So let me get the Swagger. So my Swagger is now loaded. Now this is, you can see I have actually um, done the GET request with the same URI, and I have clicked on execute. Now I'll do it once more. So I did it once more. So you can see all these sample to do items that were created in our JMeter run is already there. So this is, you can see, response body ID 61 name sample to do item is complete false. So this is from ID 56 to ID 65. Here let us see ID 56 sample to do item to ID 65. So, and the is complete is false. Is complete property is false. Is complete is false. So this verifies that we have been successfully able to configure the post request and analyze the result and cross-checked it with our Swagger UI.